Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am David. I am so happy to spend this quiet time with you today. Today, we are going to learn how to talk to a teacher. We are going to talk about talking to a teacher. For many people, talking to a teacher can be a little bit scary. We want to be polite. We want to show respect. And sometimes, we are nervous because we don't understand the lesson. But remember, teachers are there to help you. They like it when you ask questions. In this lesson, we will follow a story about Sophie. Sophie is taking an English class. She has a question about her homework, and she needs to talk to her teacher, Mr. Wilson. I will speak very slowly. I will use simple words and clear sentences. After the story, we will have our Repeat After Me section so you can practice your speaking. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. It is a sunny Wednesday afternoon. The English class is finishing. Sophie is sitting at her desk. On the desk, there is a notebook, a pen, and a large textbook. Sophie is looking at her notebook. She looks a little bit confused. Her teacher, Mr. Wilson, just explained the new homework project. The project is called My Favorite Holiday. Sophie understands the title, but she does not understand all the rules. The other students are putting their books into their bags. They are talking and laughing. They are leaving the room. But Sophie stays in her chair. She waits for the room to become quiet. Mr. Wilson is standing at the front of the room. He is putting some papers into a folder. He looks up and sees Sophie. Mr. Wilson says with a kind smile,
"Hello, Sophie. Do you have a question?"
Sophie stands up and walks to the front of the room. Sophie says,
Yes, teacher, I have a question about the homework.
Mr. Wilson says. He sits down at his desk.
Of course. How can I help you?
Sophie opens her notebook.
I don't understand the project. Do I need to write a story or draw a picture?
Mr. Wilson nods.
That is a great question, Sophie. You need to do both. You should draw a picture of your favorite holiday. Then you should write 5 simple sentences about it.
Sophie looks at her notebook.
5 sentences, okay. Can you give me an example, please?
Certainly.
Mr. Wilson says. He takes a piece of chalk and writes on the board.
Sentence 1. My favorite holiday is Christmas. Sentence 2. I eat dinner with my family. Sentence 3. We give presents. It is very simple, Sophie.
Sophie writes the examples in her notebook. She feels a little better.
Thank you, teacher. I understand now. But I have one more problem.
Mr. Wilson asks.
What is it?
Sophie explains slowly.
I am going to visit my grandmother this weekend. Can I give you the homework on Monday? Usually, the homework is for Friday.
Sophie is nervous. She does not want the teacher to be angry. Mr. Wilson thinks for a moment.
You are a very good student, Sophie. You always do your work. Yes, you can give me the homework on Monday. Thank you for telling me.
Sophie smiles. A big weight feels like it is gone from her heart.
Thank you so much, Mr. Wilson. You are very kind.
He says.
You are welcome. Sophie, do you have any other questions?
No, that is all. Have a nice day.
You too, Sophie. Goodbye.
Sophie walks out of the classroom. The hallway is empty now. She feels very happy. She was nervous to talk to the teacher, but she did it. She asked for help, and she got it. She asked for more time, and the teacher said yes. She realizes that teachers are just people. They want their students to succeed. Talking to Mr. Wilson was easy because she used simple words and she was very polite. Sophie walks to the bus stop. She starts thinking about her favorite holiday. She decides to draw a picture of New Year's Eve. She will write about the fireworks and the music. Now, Sophie is not worried about her homework. She is excited. Now, my friend, it is time for you to speak. I will say a useful phrase or sentence that you can use with a teacher. I will pause, and you must repeat the sentence out loud. Try to speak clearly and calmly. Hello, teacher. How are you? I have a question. Can you help me, please? I don't understand the homework. Can you repeat that, please? Can you speak more slowly? How do you spell that word? Can you give me an example? I need more time, please. Is this correct? Thank you for your help. I will see you tomorrow. Have a nice day, teacher. Now, I will tell the story again. This time, I will speak a little bit faster. This is how people talk in a normal conversation. Just listen and try to understand the main ideas. Sophie stayed after class on Wednesday because she was confused about the homework. She walked up to Mr. Wilson and told him she had a question. Mr. Wilson was very helpful. He explained that she needed to both draw a picture and write 5 sentences about her favorite holiday. He even wrote some examples on the board for her. Sophie also asked if she could turn the project in on Monday instead of Friday because she was visiting her grandmother. Mr. Wilson agreed because Sophie is a hard-working student. Sophie felt much better and left the classroom feeling excited to start her project. You did a wonderful job today. I am so proud of you for practicing. Talking to a teacher is an important part of learning English. Today, you learned how to ask for help, how to ask for examples, and how to be polite. The more you practice these simple sentences, the more confident you will feel in a real classroom. Remember, it is okay to ask questions. Thank you so much for practicing with me, David, here on Speak Easy English. If this lesson helped you, please click the like button. It really helps my channel grow. Share this video with a friend who is also learning English. And if you want to see all my new lessons, please subscribe and click the notification bell. I have a question for you. Do you like talking to your teachers, or do you feel nervous? Tell me in the comments below. I read every comment, and I love to hear from you. Keep practicing, stay positive, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.